Hello everyone, welcome back to my corner of the internet. Today I am going to be sitting down with you all and we are going to be having a fun little journaling sesh. I'm using my daily journal to create a couple of entries over the past couple of days in April when me and my family got a puppy, and I thought it would be really fun to share these memories with you all. I'm going to be writing in my journal and also pasting in some photos, so I thought this would be a great opportunity to kind of go over my daily journaling process with you today. So the first thing I like to do when I have a journaling session in my daily journal, which is this little A6 size Stalogy notebook, is I like to go in first and write down the entries. I always like to prioritize writing down the highlights of the day and my thoughts of the day, because if there's something unexpected that comes up and I have to stop my session, I want to make sure that at least I got the writing down, and the photos can go in later, but sometimes my memory isn't as good later on, so getting the writing down as soon as possible after the event always works best for me. So that's why I always like to write first, and then I'll reserve a couple pages for the photos, which I'm going and doing now. So I like to use photos from the Instax mini link printer. It's an instant photo printer, so there's definitely probably more economical printers out there, but I don't know, I just love the feel and nostalgic quality of these prints, which is why I choose to use these instead of just printing them on my printer. And I try to print only my favorite photos because, again, very expensive prints. And I also just don't want my notebook to be too chunky, to be honest, because it already is really thick and it's only less than halfway through the year. So only trying to print photos that are really special to me here. And as you can see from the photos as they're developing, these are all photos of our new puppy Clover, who we recently got over the Easter long weekend. So as you can see, I've put some sticky notes down just to mark off the pages where I want to put photos. And this also really helps with my memory because I will write down the photo I want to put on the page. So then when I come back to journal, maybe a couple days from now, because I don't always put in the photos at the same time as I write the entry, I'll be able to know what photo I had envisioned putting there. So on the right, I'm going to be putting these two photos of Clover in her travel crate. This was her first drive home to our house. And the second photo I'm going to put is this photo of Clover in the snow, and that's going to be on the other page. I like to keep my collaging really simple in my daily journal. I find kind of having a formula to follow makes it really easy to get the pages done and to enjoy making them without getting too overwhelmed with all the possibilities of collaging, because I do find while collaging is fun, if I have too many options and too many supplies to use, then my brain gets overwhelmed and then I don't end up doing anything. So I like to limit my collages in this journal to just my photos and a few fun pieces of washi tape, along with some writing and maybe a date stamp if I want to kind of stamp the date by the photo so I know when it was taken. So as you see here, I'm going in with some washi tape as well as a date stamp, just like the other page I decorated, but because I have a bit more room on this one, since I'm only putting in one photo, I thought I would use that extra space to write a little caption at the bottom just kind of filling in some more information about the photo, you know, those good details, all of that fun stuff. And I will usually add captions when I have the room, but if I have a lot of photos like that other spread that I decorated earlier and there's no room, then I usually just leave it and move on. So that is a look at the journaling that I did today. Here are the pages I made with you guys in this video, and I really love how they turned out. I think these are going to be so lovely to look back on years from now when Clover is all grown up and she's no longer a puppy, and we can look back on the memories of when she joined us. And yeah, I think it'll just be really nice. So that was the video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you are all doing well and have a great rest of your day, and I will catch you all in the next one. Bye, everybody.